everyone, welcome back to Recipes by Aisha, and today we'll be making the special dish which is Sizzling Gola Kabab. You can make these delicious Sizzling Gola Kababs at home with easily available spices from your kitchen. You have to watch this whole video without skipping it because I will be sharing some amazing tips in between on how to make these delicious Sizzling Gola Kababs without skewers and without sizzlers. So let's cook it. You have to take food processor and take 500 grams of beef diced. Do not wash the meat because it will add moisture to the kebabs and they will not hold its shape. Take 2 bread slices and cut its edges and break it into small pieces. First, we will chop the meat into mince with the bread to absorb any moisture if it is there in the meat. Once it is nicely turned into fine mince, then we'll add other ingredients. You have to take grated onions and then squeeze it into a cloth to remove onion water and then add it to the mince. Then add half bunch of coriander leaves and 3 to 4 green chilies. Keep chopping the mixture till it is well combined into the mince. Then you have to add salt, black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, kachri powder. If you don't have kachri powder, then add meat tenderizer or papaya paste. Otherwise, just skip it. Then we'll add red chili powder, baking soda, lemon juice, green chili paste, ginger and garlic paste, and thick yogurt. Thick yogurt will add moist to the kebabs and they will not be dry, but do not add the yogurt having water as it will add moisture. Now you have to combine all the spices into the mince, so keep running the food processor till it is well combined. Then transfer it into a bowl and then knead the mince mixture to have even spices in the mince. Then you have to give cold smoke to have that restaurant style smoky kebab flavor. Just drop a little bit of oil on the coal and cover it to let the mince get all the smoke. Leave it for an hour in the fridge, or then take any chopstick or straw or any skewer whichever is available at your kitchen and take a small portion of mince in your hand and give it a ball shape and then insert it through the chopstick like this and then give it a shape, and it is so easy to make, and this is how you can make your delicious gola kebabs at home. Gola kebabs are 2 inches long and 1 inch thick, and it is made so easily, and this is how you can shape all the gola kebabs. You can keep them in the box and refrigerate it for later use or fry them straight away. So in a pan, take some oil, not more than 3 to 4 tablespoons. You have to just shallow fry them and not deep fry them, and let them shallow fry for 1 minute without touching them. Then you have to flip its sides and cook it from all the sides, which will take almost 8 to 10 minutes to cook completely on medium to low flame. Because mince has meat tenderizer, so it will be very easily cooked in 8 to 10 minutes and not more than that. When you can see kebabs are fried from all the sides, then we will keep them aside. I'm using a sizzler which I've already made it hot. First add some onions and capsicums, then add your gola kebabs to the sizzler. Now you can see how this smoke is coming out from the sizzler. Then drizzle its oil on the sizzler, and this is how your delicious gola kebabs are ready. Look at the smoke, color, presentation, everything exactly looks like restaurant style. Let me show you how it looks from inside. It is very well cooked from inside, and look at the juiciness of these gola kebabs. Serve it with green chutney. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel.